Hi CISA Fellowship, I hope you are well. I am Ajinkya. I am your CISA guide. Now this is the second video in my series CISA Bites. I have already explained CISA Bites I have already explained about CISA Bites in my previous video. You can check it out. Now this is the second installment. One more doubt which people have is around database management system. What exactly is a DBMS? So again, let me share my screen and I'll tell you what I have done. Uh, as you already know, I have written a book named as CISA Guide for Techies and Non-Techies, and I have taken this extract from our book CISA Guide for Techies and Non-Techies. Uh, this is the snippet from Domain 4. Now, this concept is covered in Domain 4 of our book. I have put a screenshot of the relevant part of what exactly is a database management system. I don't want to go into the entire database, no asset properties, data definition language and all of that. I just want to clarify what database management systems are. So I've put a screenshot over here of our book explaining. I have also put the screenshot of various other parts which are relevant for database management system, which is I have put in example which says that SQL Server is an example of a database management system. Then I have also put within our book what we have done is we have also given two different parts: authors, insights, and just for knowledge. Now I don't want to tell you more about the book. The reason for telling this is you will know why this is important. Now just for knowledge is just for the understanding. It won't be asked in the CISA example. This will help you understand the concept. And author's insight is also on the similar lines, where we generally tackle the various questions that people have. We have already tackled this DBMS and difference between database part over here. So let me explain it by writing it down. So as you already know, we have an application, we have a database. Now, how do they talk to each other? The talking is done by database management systems. Now, what DBMS will do is there is a front end user. He wants to access some kind of data, some kind of information. Let's say, let's take example of a hospital. So a nurse wants to check what medicines are given to a particular patient. Now that data is not stored within the application. That application is basically used by nurse to get the data. What nurse will do is she will click on some screens, click on some areas, and she will get the data. Now, how she gets the data? She gets it via DBMS. Like I told you, application talks with the database to get the data. What the nurse will do is she will click on some forms and see what medicines are given to patient, one particular patient. Now, this talking is done via DBMS, where DBMS will design some query, send it to database. Database will send the data back to DBMS, and DBMS will then send it to application, and the nurse can then see what kind of data is available. So in essence, this is what a database management system is. It's basically a system to talk with database. DBMS is a system to talk with database. I hope you are clear with what exactly is a DBMS and what exactly is a database. And I hope you now know the difference between database and DBMS. I have given my details of LinkedIn over here. You can reach out to me with on LinkedIn with doubts regarding DBMS, or if you want clarification for any other concepts, you can reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can drop comments on this video. Thank you.